Hello kids, good morning. Let's learn a new letter today, okay? Now, just look at the board. Today is the beginning of a new month. So we are in the month of July. There are 12 months in a year. And January, what are they? What are the 12 months? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So we have already finished 6 months. We have finished the month of June. What comes after June? July. And July is the 7th month of the year. So today is the 1st of July. So 1/7, the date is 1st July 2020. And this session is for the class LKG, for the LKG kids. Okay? Now let's get started with our alphabets. So far we have learnt 6 letters. Let's just revise what we have learnt. What do you see here? A, capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Capital E, small e. Capital F, small f. And what are the sounds? What is the sound of each letter? A, apple. B, balloon. C, cucumber. D, dinosaur. E, elbow. This is your elbow. Touch your elbows. Very good. F, feather. Feathers of a bird. Birds have feathers. Now what comes after F? Can anyone guess? Do you want to guess? What do you see on the board? I have given some clues for you. What is this? That's a giraffe. Very good. That's a little girl. Giraffe, goat, garden. So all these begin with, yes, G. Very good. So how do we write G? It's a right open curve, sleeping line, standing line. Right open curve, sleeping line, standing line. That's capital G. Now this is small g. Always capital letters you will start from the red line and write till the black line. Only 3 lines. You will write it only in 3 lines. G says G. Capital G, small g. Small g will go to the bottom red line. Small g goes to the bottom red line. So how do you write it? Right open curve, sleeping line, standing line. Right open curve again, standing line and a hook. Okay, that's G. So G says G as in giraffe, girl, garden, goat. Okay, very good. Now after this, let's revise our numbers. We were learning numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have learned the number names. Remember? 1. You have to say after, repeat after me. Okay? 1. O-N-E 1. 1. O-N-E 1. What do you see here? 1 kite. Very good. 2. T-W-O-2. T-W-O-2. There are 1, 2. 2 balloons. Very good. Now what is the next number? Number 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. How many cups do you see here? 1, 2, 3. 3 cups. Very good. 1, 2, 3. After 3 it is number 4. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Which letter makes fur? That's letter F. Four. F-O-U-R. 4. So let's count the flowers here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flowers. Very good. Now what comes after 4? That's number 5. 5. Again it is So the letter is F. F-I-V-E, five. F-I-V-E, five. What do you see here? These are the leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. 5. Those are the 5 leaves. Very good. Now let's learn about some. In our EVS, we have already learnt about wild animals. Then we have learnt about birds. Today we are going to learn about insects. What are insects? Insects are small animals which can fly, which can crawl on the floor. Crawling is like, little babies. If you have a little sister or a brother, they will crawl on the floor, like this. Like that. The insects will also crawl on the floor, or some insects can also fly. There are some insects on the board. Can you tell me what they are? There is a ladybug. Very good. That's a ladybug. That's an insect. And this is the caterpillars. Very good. Caterpillar. Have you seen a caterpillar crawling on the floor? You don't say a caterpillar is walking. You say it is crawling. The caterpillar crawls on the floor. All the insects, they just crawl. Have you seen cockroaches in your house? Or can you tell me an insect which begins with the letter M? It bites us very badly in the evenings when it's getting dark. After the sun sets, there is this insect which comes and it starts biting us. Which is that? Mosquito. Very good. That's the mosquito. Mosquitoes, houseflies, ladybug, caterpillar, cockroach, and any other insects? Very good. Those are the insects. Like insects are small tiny creatures which will crawl, which can crawl on the floor or which can fly in the air. And some insects are little scary, When you look at them also, they are very scary. If you have noticed in your house, when you go into the bathroom, sometimes you will see cockroaches in the bathroom. That's so scary. Yes, then you have to call your mama or papa and ask them to spray some pesticide on it, right? Very good. So, keep learning, practice whatever you have learned till now. Okay. Now, let's take a look at the insects, okay? This is in your course book. In your course book, this is for LKG class, okay? Open this book and take a look. Just look at this book first, what teacher is showing you. Then you can go back and read from your textbook. Very good. Now take a look. Insects are tiny animals. Some insects have wings. They can fly. Some insects do not fly. Insects are tiny animals. Tiny means very small. Tiny animals. Some insects have wings. They can fly. Some insects do not fly. Now let's see what are those insects. That's the spider, ant, bed bug. These bugs, they will be in your cot, in your bed. Cockroach, honeybee, ladybird, or we also call it a ladybug. Grasshopper, it will be in green, just like a grass, it will be in green color. Grasshopper. Butterfly, mosquito. So, most of the insects, they have 8 legs. Some also have 6, some also have 6. Okay? So, spider. Do you know rhyme about the spider? Itsy bitsy spider climbed the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Itsy bitsy spider climbed the spout again. That's the spider. A spider weaves a web. A spider makes a web. Whenever the spider is hungry, it will make a web, it will weave a web, crisscross, it will be like that. And then inside the web, some small insects get trapped in it. Then this spider will go and eat those insects. If you ever notice in your house, there will be a spider web in some corners. Just take a look. If you have a garden, if there are any plants in your house, you can find spider webs in near those places. Okay? Just take a look and observe. Then comes the ant. becoming red, black, red and black color. Ants, if you trouble the ant, it will bite you. It will bite you very hard. Ant is a very hard-working insect. It never takes any rest. It is very, very hard-working. Then comes the bed bug. Bed bugs, they will be very, very tiny, and they will be sometimes in some of the mattresses, in some of the place where your bed is, there will be the bed bugs. That is why it's called a bed bug, found on the bed. But if you keep your bed very, very clean, if you dust it every time, the bed bugs won't be there. They will not bother you. Cockroach. Where do we find cockroach? Cockroaches are found in bathrooms, near kitchen sink, kitchen, where the dishes are cleaned in the kitchen. Cockroaches can be found. Honeybee. Honeybee. Bee. What sound does the honeybee make? Yeah, can you make that sound? Like the letter Z. Z makes Z. Z. Honeybee buzzes. It buzzes. Z. Like that. You can try it. Then comes the ladybird. We have seen it already on the board. The ladybug, ladybird. And then the grasshopper. Butterfly. Butterfly, first it will be a caterpillar. A caterpillar becomes a beautiful butterfly. Then comes the mosquito. Mosquitoes are the blood-sucking insects. They bite us and they suck our blood. They suck our blood. Now, let's recap all the insects. Spider, ant, bedbug, cockroach, honeybee, ladybird, grasshopper, butterfly, mosquito. Now I'm going to ask you some questions, okay? Which insect makes web? It's the spider. Very good. Which insects live in the cot, live on bed? It's the bedbug. Where do we see the cockroaches? In kitchen or in the bathrooms? Which insect makes honey? Honeybee. Bees make honey. That's why it has the name honeybee. How many of you like to eat honey? Have you ever tasted it? It's very sweet and it's very good for your health also. Okay, so honeybee. We get honey from the honeybees. What does the honeybee do? It buzzes around and it will go sit on the flowers and it will suck the honey from the flower and then it deposits in one place. Okay, so we get honey from the honeybee. Which is the beautiful insect? Can you tell me which is the beautiful insect? It's the butterfly. Very good. A butterfly is a very beautiful insect. Which insect causes malaria? Malaria is a type of a fever which is caused by the mosquitoes. Mosquito causes malaria. So you need to be very, very careful with the mosquito bite. There is also another fever named dengue. Dengue, malaria, all these fevers we get by the mosquito bite. So you need to protect yourself from a mosquito bite. Okay? So read the lesson, ask questions. Your mama or your papa will tell you they will answer your questions. Okay? And observe in your garden. If you have a garden or if you have any plants, just take a look, go around your garden and observe and find any insects that you come across. Okay? Now, this is for the nursery kids. Let's see. This is my body moves. Okay, first we will see the body parts. Body parts. Look at this chart here. Eyes, nose, hand, head, ear, mouth, stomach, foot, leg. Okay, now let's play a game. I'm going to say whichever body part I say, you have to touch that body part. Okay? This game is called Simon Says. Simon says, touch your head. Touch your head. Simon says, touch your nose. Simon says, touch your ears. Simon says, touch your eyes. Simon says, touch your hands. Simon says, rub your tummy. Rub your tummy. Simon says, touch your feet. Bend and touch your feet. Very good. So these are your body parts. Now My body moves. You know, the various parts of our body, the various limbs of our body, they can move in different ways. So my body moves. I can move my hands side to side. Can you move your hands? Move your hands and see. Side to side. I can move my hands side to side. I can jump. Can you jump? I can jump. I can nod my head. How do you nod your head? Nod your head. Very good. I can wiggle my fingers. How do you wiggle your fingers? I can wiggle my fingers. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle your fingers. Very good. I can blink my eyes. How do you blink your eyes? When there is too much light on your eyes, we start blinking our eyes. Blink, blink, blink. That's called blinking. I can blink my eyes. I can walk. Get up, walk and see. I can walk. How do we walk? We walk with the help of our legs. Very good. I can run. I can move my shoulders up and down. Do you want to do that? Move your shoulders up and down. Up, down, up, down. Move your shoulders up and down. I can bend. I can bend. I can stretch. I can twist. I can roll and I can swing. Wow, there are so many things you can do with your body, isn't it? One more time. I can move my hands side to right side, to left side. You can move it up and down in every direction. I can jump. I can nod my head, nod your head. I can wiggle my fingers. I can blink my eyes. I can walk. I can run. I can move my shoulders up and down. I can bend, stretch, twist, roll and swing. Isn't it so much fun? You can do all these body moves with your mother and father or with your brother, sister, your grandparents. Yes, you will get some good exercise. Have fun. Bye-bye. That's it for today.